How to add another Gmail account in iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another Gmail account to your phone. Whether you want to manage multiple email accounts or switch between them easily, this is the perfect tutorial for you, so let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a little bit and simply tap on Mail. This will take you to your mail settings. Now under the mail account, this is where you can simply manage all the email accounts linked to your iPhone. Now tap on Add Account, and here you can simply tap on Google. Now as you can see, now here Google Form, you'll be prompted to enter your Gmail address. Type in the email address of the account you want to add, then tap on Next. Enter your password for the Gmail account and then tap Next again. After signing in, you'll be asked to grant permissions for your Gmail account to sync with your iPhone, and you need to simply allow it. Simply tap on Allow to grant these permissions. After that, you can choose what you want to sync with your iPhone. By default, mail, contacts, and calendars are selected. You can toggle off anything you don't need. And that's it. You've successfully added a new Gmail account to your iPhone.